Hey guys! I just created my own AI music video called Young Millionaire. And trust me, you won't believe this. I made the entire video using AI tools, Suno AI and Flow. And the craziest part, it's completely free. So before I show you how I did it, take a look at this.
Yeah. Okay. From little to little more, I kept my head low. Kept my vision clear. Young and patient. Yeah. Started with a room and a plan. One lamp, one dream, one pen. Mama said stay on your path. I did. Late nights, quiet moves. While the world slept, I built. Counting every small win till the small wins turn real. No loud talk, just work. No flex, just focus. They laughed when I was broke. Now they watch, still joke. Young and rich, calm and clean.
Before we dive in, let's talk about something really important, monetization. Yes, AI music videos can make you money, but only if you edit them the right way. Just generating content with AI isn't enough. You need clean edits, overlays, sound effects. That's what makes your content stand out and actually earn. So if you're serious about growth and making real money, stay with me till the end because I'm about to show you everything, step by step. So first, open ChatGPT. Now, type your prompt based on your song idea. You can write your own idea or simply copy mine. Just make sure you change the title and the vibe. For example, if you want a rap song, a sad song, or any other style, just tell ChatGPT exactly what you need and it will generate a perfect prompt for you. Now scroll down, you'll see your full music prompt and also a small extra line for voice consistency. Make sure you copy both the main prompt and that extra line because this helps keep the voice and style consistent. Now copy everything and go to Suno AI. Paste your prompt here and click on generate. Now let me check the first one.
Yeah. Okay. From little to little more, I kept my head low.
Sounds good. Now let me check the second one.
Okay. From little to little more, I kept my head low.
Okay, but honestly, I like the first one better, so I'll go with that. Now to download it, click on the 3 dots. Move your cursor to download and select the MP3 option. That's it, your audio file is ready. Now, before we move to the next step, let's talk about something important, character consistency. Because creating music is easy, but keeping your character consistent is the real game. So let's move on and create a perfect character. So here, I open ChatGPT and I ask it to generate a rapper-style character with a millionaire vibe. You can write your own idea based on your song. ChatGPT will give you a full prompt and also an extra line for face consistency and realism. Make sure you copy both. Now, let's move to Flow AI. This tool helps us create images and also convert them into videos. You can see I've already created 2 character images. Let me show you the exact prompt I copied from ChatGPT. You just paste your full prompt, including the extra line. Here, you'll see the nano banana option. Click on it. Now select image mode. For format, use 16:9 for long videos and 9:16 for shorts or reels. Now, set multiplier to 2 so you get multiple character options and choose your best one. Once your character is ready, set multiplier to 1 for faster generation. For better results, select Nano Banana Pro first. It gives high-quality images and uses 0 credits initially. If it shows an error after some time, don't worry. Just switch to Nano Banana 2 and continue. Now click on Generate. Now choose your best character and move forward. Now click on the 3 dots, go to Download, and select 2K quality for the best high-resolution image. But remember, don't use just one image. Create multiple scenes with different images. That's how your video will look real and professional.
So I came into Flow AI and created multiple scenes using my same character. I gave ChatGPT a simple prompt with different ideas like airport, yacht, Lamborghini, and private jet. ChatGPT generated cinematic scenes for each idea. I copy each scene and use it separately. I also copy the important line for face consistency, character consistency, and realism and attach it with every prompt. So now I open Flow AI and click click on the plus icon. I upload my reference image. Then I copy my prompt from ChatGPT and paste it directly into Flow AI. For each concept, I don't generate just one image. I create multiple variations for every scene. For example, I generate 3 to 4 different yacht shots, multiple cinematic private jet angles, and different Lamborghini scenes. Then I select only the best images that match the vibe of my song. Here I selected Nano Banana 2 because Nano Banana Pro had an error, so I switched to Nano Banana 2. I also set multiplier to 1, so only one image is generated at a time for faster speed and better control. After that, I click generate. If any image doesn't match the vibe or doesn't look perfect, I simply skip it and keep only the strongest cinematic scenes. Repeat this process until I have a complete set of perfect cinematic scenes ready for my project. If I want extra motion like dancing or movement effects, I already mention it inside my prompt before generating. So here you can see I've already generated one scene and you can clearly see the image. Another video is also being created using start frame and end frame method with 2 images. Here, video mode is selected and multiplier is set to 1, which means only one video is generated at a time. Now I go into the video section and click on the ingredients option so I can use only one reference image to generate the scene. Next, click on this plus icon and upload your image. After that, paste your prompt here. Now I go back to the video section and select VO3 Fast, but I choose VO3 Light because it uses fewer credits. Now click on this arrow button to generate. As you can see, the video generation has started. It's that simple. So where did I get this prompt from? There are 2 ways to do it. First, you can simply take the prompts you already created in ChatGPT for image generation and reuse them for video generation. But if you want your character to add lip sync, music vibe, and a more stylish cinematic feel, then there is another method. You go to Gemini, upload your image, and write a simple prompt below. You can say something like, "Give me a prompt for my music video using this reference image." Sometimes AI may not fully understand the scene, so you need to clearly define what you want in detail. Then you take that output and go back into Flow AI. From there, you can create multiple videos for different scenes and complete your entire project step by step. Once your scenes are ready, the real work begins. Editing. Video editing is the most important step. If you don't edit properly with effects, transitions, and sound design, you won't really make money from AI music videos. So now I open Capcut and upload my edited scene. First, I go to the audio button, then click on Sounds and open File Manager. From there, I select the device option and import my music file, the same track we created earlier using Suno AI. Then I add it to my project. After that, I go into Audio Effects and apply a light filter just to enhance the sound. I slightly reduce the intensity to around 20 and confirm it. Now I have all my video scenes arranged according to my music. Next, I remove any extra audio parts so the video stays clean and properly timed. Then I go to each clip and add animations so every scene smoothly moves within a few seconds. This works like transitions between clips. I also add glitch effects and overlays where needed to make the video more cinematic. Finally, I export the video in 1080p, keeping all settings standard and saving it to my device. So this is the final result.
Yeah. Okay. From little to little more, I kept my head low. Kept my vision clear. Young and patient. Yeah. Started with a room and a plan. One lamp, one dream, one pen. Mama said stay on your path, I did. Late nights, quiet moves, while the world slept I built. Counting every small win, till the small wins turn real. No loud talk, just work, no flex, just focus. They laughed when I was broke, now they watch, still joking. Yeah. Young and rich, calm and clean. Young and rich, you know what I mean. Move in peace, I move unseen. Young and rich, calm and clean. Big dreams, I kept them close. Now it's payday, steady growth. I'm locked in, yes, I'm on my beam. Young and rich, calm and clean. Not a mirror, look different. Same face, new vision. Money came from the discipline, not luck, not wishing. Late nights turned into breakfast, then into bookings. Now the table got space for me, and the game took a look in. I don't chase what they post, I build what lasts. If they doubt me, let them doubt, I don't move fast. Soft ride, big plans, chill hard, strong mind. I was made for the climb, now I'm living that climb. Yeah. Still humble when the check clear. Still focused when the room cheers. One life, one lane, I just keep it moving. Calm, rich, young, proven. Yeah.
So this was the result I wanted to show you. If you like this type of content, make sure to like, share, and subscribe. And if you want more videos like this, just comment your request. See you in the next video.